So this question is maximum number of words you can type. So you're given a string text and also the string broken letter. So when you want to return the valid word inside the text. So if there is a letter inside a broken letter, if there's a word inside a broken letter, right? Then which means you are not allowed to type, right? So the idea is pretty straightforward. So I'm going to put this to the chart, right? I'm going to convert this to a chart and then put this into the set. And then when I traverse the text, I'm going to split the text just split by the space. So I have the array of a string, and then for every single string, for every single word, right, I'm going to traverse every single chart. So I'm going to say H is H inside the set? No. Is E inside the set? No. Is L? No. L? No. O? No. Then if this letter is valid, I'm going to increment my counter. So this is pretty much the idea, right? So if you just look at the prompt, like this is actually pretty straightforward. So what you have to do is you have the set of character, and I'm going to say set equal to new has set, and I'm going to traverse my string broken letter dot to chart array, and I'm going to say set.add C, right? And I also need a counter. I'm going to call result, and I'm going to return result. All right. So now I need a split, right? So split for words equal to text.split by the space, right? So I'm going to traverse the words array, and for every single array, right, I need to traverse the char, and I also need to keep track of what? Keep track of the letter. Is letter a broken letter, which means it's inside the set, right? So I'm going to say broken letter. So letter valid. All right, letter valid is actually equal to what? True. And then if letter valid is true, I'm going to increment my counter. So the only thing I have to check is what? If set contains C, is this character is inside the set, I'm going to say letter valid is equal to false, and I don't need to traverse the rest of the character inside the current word, right? So I just have to break. So this is pretty much a solution. So let me run it, submit. Alright, so for the time and space, this is straightforward. This is space, this is also the space. But for the worst case for the space is this. So you are going to parse, right, and you save it into the array. So the space is going to be all of n, unrepresented of the text. And then the time, this is going to be a time, and this is going to be a time. And this is always shorter than this one. This is because what? The words array, right, is definitely text, right? Text.length is always what? Greater than broken letter. So all of n for the time, n represent text of length, right? The length of text, right? So this is a solution. So if you still struggle, leave a comment below, subscribe if you want it, and I will see you next time. Bye.